Okay, guys, about to go to market on the DAX. Let me just drop a quick order in because it's starting to run. And I'll kind of explain what it is that I'm up to. So let me just drop an order in. We're looking for 18 pips. We go. So it's in. Drop this down to 15 minutes. So you can kind of see where we're at. Okay, it's kind of fingers and thumbs this morning. Just had lots and lots of things to do. But basically, here it is here. There's the trade makeup. Now, I did a news video this morning. It's just gone into market. And I said I'd be looking at the DAX at around this time. And it's a buy, it's a B. It's a fair trade. It's running for about 18 pips. Now, if it steps back, I'm going to try and increase that a little bit. And it's all done up front. And what I mean by that is I've actually put it into the Discord well in advance of what I'm doing. So that is their full breakdown of how I'm going to do the trade, etc. And a little video for the guys to follow on. Now, they'll find that in the Bulls and Bears. Now, if you want to go through it and see it as it's happening, it's also done here in the tracker. So they can see what's going on, and then they can go through all my sort of trade breakdowns here. They'll always know what's going on. The Discord is really good for that. Now, here, it looks like it's scary. You're going, oh my God, it's gone against me. Oh, I'm not bothered. I actually want it to go against me. So why is that? Because I find that you often go to market too early. I'm certainly guilty of that. And I'll capitalize on the market moving against me. Now, there's moving against you and moving against you. Now, let me just drop a couple of extra orders in just while we're having a little bit of a chat. So just set that up to there. So the next order, I'm going to stage it back into where that red zone is. Now, I use my zones as well to help break up the trade because I'm very visual. I like to see what's going on. And I trade on this screen up here. Okay. There we go. So that's in place. We'll set our orders and our targets. They're correct as well. Now, the idea is we only want this sliver. Now, when we look at this particular market, if we come out to the daily, there's no reason that is going to stop. You know, it is booming to the upper side. Take it down into the hourly. And again, lots of pressure coming in. But there was also news announcements today that I had to be fully aware of. And I kept an eye on those. Now, the trade premise is relatively simple. We can see where the key levels are. And you can see these here. Got them all over the place. Let me just drop this out to 4 hours and you'll be able to see it. There's all your key levels that you can see clearly. Now, once they're in place and you know which ones to put in, they create a roadmap to the chart. You can see exactly where you're going and you're running at free air. Now, the market, as you can see, oscillates, it pulses backwards and forwards, bish, bash, bosh. And you can take little slivers at a time. And if that little sliver happens to pay you what you need, more's the better. Oh.
What, getting the coffee?
Good girl. I thought for a moment there, I nearly had a heart attack where I didn't think she was going to get the coffee. You know, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee, and she's not doing her job at the minute.
I don't know what you were thinking.
Well,
keep those thoughts to yourself. I'll get the coffee.
What you mean? Keep the thoughts to yourself. They're always on my mind. It's not my fault you're a good tit. See, the thing is, she's a different woman now. It's like I'm having an affair. Because she used to be like a peroxide blonde or gold blonde or whatever the fuck they call it. And because she is naturally blonde anyway. but she decided to go dark. So it's like having a dark woman. Question is, which kind of dark is it? Is it dark as in naughty dark, or dark as in she's going to murder me? At the moment, I think that's going to get murdered. But there we go. There's that trade. It's nearly up to sort of where we wanted. We were looking for 18 pips, where it is there. So it's going to be about 90 quid trade. Now, already did a little trade earlier on today, which was there. Okay. So kind of caught the quick spike on that. Really just because I was looking at it. When I was glancing through the markets doing the news review, thought I'd have a cheeky little bite of it. Why not? But in the meantime, I thought that might have popped really quick. It hasn't. See, when we are trading and we look at these, now these videos that I do here are really just for oh, there we go. It's just popped out 90 quid. Happy days, happy days. It's good, this job, innit? You know. So let's make certain I get my tickets off. Take my tickets off, and there you go. So 2:16, 10 o'clock. My day is now finished. That was a very simple, easy trade. You know. And that's it. But trading's all about. I'm now done for the day when it comes to trading. Why? Because I've hit my target criteria. Because if you look at my strength sheet, you will see that it states very clearly 200 quid, and I stop. Or at least it will be if I get me big fat head out the way. There we go. There it is there. When 200 plus hit, or 2 wins, stop for the day. Now, it's very important to have rules like that, because every day I deal with somebody that's, oh, well, I was finished straight away, but I've got so much time, I'll have another trade. Why? You were paid, you fucking moron. Just enjoy your day, watch the telly, walk the dog, fuck the wife. That's assuming you got a wife that'll fuck you, because if you Popeye, get your forearm out, you know. I mean, it's not my fault that you've got a tiny cock, you know, but I've got a big cock. Sorry. I've had a couple of days off because they were getting on me tits. But anyway, cut long story short, I often say less is more. And I say it for a very good reason. The longer you're in the markets, the more the markets are going to take off you. Now, if you can get in and get out relatively quickly, and it pays you what you need, why go back? Why go back at all? And that's your secret to trading. 1 or 2 good trades a day is all you need. And then if you are patient enough to find those trades, you'll find you've got a massive hit rate and a good sized bank account. But if you try just to go at the market over and over and over again, you're wasting your time. Trading is about execution and planning, not action. Something for you to think about. Anyway, I'm very easy found. Drop in the description, you see all my contact details. It'll point you to my website. Now, the only social media that I use, you will find on that website. There is a new WhatsApp group that's being made. It is mine, and the link for it is below. And it tells you what I'm up to during the day. But I never DM anybody. So if you get a message from somebody and it says it's me, it ain't. And I have to put that out because the copycats are sort of on the rise again. And the messaging people left, right, and centre, and it ain't me. So just be very vigilant, guys. If you contact me, I will speak to you, but I won't do it first, if that makes sense. Okay, that'll do. All right, trade's done. Off the cuff, live, got me coffee, happy. Please come along. Look at them knockers. Dear. Well, I'm happy now. I've got the rest of the day off. Okay, see you all soon, guys.
Okay guys, a quick interlude because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, C Trader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.